Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to fix Google Chrome using too much RAM. First, open Chrome settings. On the left side, click Performance. First, turn on Memory Saver. This puts inactive tabs to sleep and frees up RAM. Next, scroll down to the System section. Turn off Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This stops Chrome from using RAM when you're not even browsing. Now let's find the memory hogs. Press Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This opens Chrome Task Manager. Click the Memory Footprint column. Tabs and extensions using the most RAM will float to the top. Select any tab you don't need and click End Process. Instant memory relief. Next, clean up extensions. Click the three dots. Go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Disable or remove extensions you don't actively use. Each extension runs its own background process. After these steps, Chrome should feel lighter and faster. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.